For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
After 20 days of violent clash at the line of actual control, where 20 of the Indian soldiers were martyred, the de-escalation process has been initiated. In the first signs of de-escalation of the conflict, the People's Liberation Army have decided to move back their troops from the current position in Galwan Valley. According to Ministry of External Affairs, NSA Ajit Doval and Chinese Foreign Affairs Minister Wang Yi held telephonic conversation to de-escalate the matter. NSA Ajit Doval and Chinese State Councillor and Minister of Foreign Affairs Wang Yi held a telephone conversation yesterday. They had a frank and in-depth exchange of views on the recent development in the western sector of the India-China border areas. They further agreed that both sides should complete the ongoing disengagement process along the LAC expeditiously. The two sides should also ensure a phased and stepwise de-escalation in the India-China border areas. It was also agreed that NSA Ajit Doval and Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi will continue their conversations to restore peace and tranquility at Galwan Valley. The duo also discussed that either country should not take any unilateral action to alter their status quo along the line of actual control. Even Chinese External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian has said that there will be a phased-wise de-escalation process.
Chinese and Indian troops on June the 30th held commander-level talks. The two sides continue to work to implement consensus reached at the two previous rounds of talks. There's progress made on frontline troops taking effective measures to disengage and ease the tensions.
The remarks of China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian came after government sources in New Delhi said the Chinese army was seen removing tents. China has agreed to pull back its troops from the patrolling points 14, 15 and 17. Similar movement was decided to be taken up at the Gogra hot spring area. Chinese and Indian troops have reportedly pulled back 1.5 kilometer from 3 friction sites along the line of actual control, with the Indian forces also retreating. A buffer zone equidistant from both the sides of the LAC has been created. This was the site where a large-scale hand-to-hand battle between the troops led to the loss of lives of 20 Indian Army soldiers. Disengagement of Chinese troops is being monitored by the Indian side at all 4 friction points, including the PP-14, PP-15, Hot Springs and Finger area. China and India have made progress to disengage and de-escalate the border situation at the third commander level talks.